Imagine coming home to your private space and feeling like someone has been inside without your knowledge or permission. That sense of unease is something no one wants to experience, especially in their own home. Your rental home is your private sanctuary, and generally, your landlord cannot just walk in whenever they please. Landlords are typically required by law to provide you with advance notice before entering, protecting your privacy and personal space as a tenant. This fundamental right to privacy stems from your lease agreement and, most importantly, from state and local landlord-tenant laws. These regulations establish clear boundaries, ensuring that while a landlord needs to maintain their property, your home remains yours during your tenancy. There are a few specific situations where entry is legally allowed. For example, a landlord can enter to make necessary repairs or improvements, conduct inspections, or show the property to prospective tenants or buyers. However, even in these cases, they usually must give you what is called reasonable notice, which often means 24 or 48 hours, depending on your location. The one exception is in a genuine emergency, like a fire or a burst pipe, where immediate action is required to prevent significant damage to the property. In such critical moments, a landlord may enter without prior notice. To protect your privacy and ensure you understand your rights, always review your lease agreement carefully for clauses about landlord entry. Become familiar with your state's specific landlord-tenant laws, which often define what constitutes reasonable notice and the valid reasons for entry. If you receive a notice, communicate with your landlord if the proposed time is genuinely inconvenient and try to find a mutually agreeable solution. Document any interactions regarding entry, including dates, times, and the stated reason for the visit. Understanding these parameters helps maintain a clear and respectful relationship. Another important concept is the idea of abandonment, where a landlord might enter if there's clear evidence you have permanently left the property without intending to return. However, this is distinct from merely being away for a short period, and strict legal definitions usually apply before a landlord can assume abandonment. Knowing the rules around notice periods and proper communication allows you to confidently manage your rental experience. This also helps you understand situations like implied consent, where if you request a repair, you might be giving your landlord permission to enter for that specific purpose, without requiring further notice. By understanding when your landlord can legally enter your rental home, you gain peace of mind and the confidence to advocate for your tenant rights. This knowledge helps foster a respectful landlord-tenant relationship built on clear communication and mutual understanding, ensuring your home remains your comfortable and private space.